Hey loves, today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup look. I have my accompanied boba here, which was $7.50, pretty good deal. It's a jumbo boba tea. Here's the big box. I'm going to be using this headband scrunchie. It smells really nice. Like Krabby Patties. Also some cute little bow tie. I forgot to mention to put on primer or anything to hydrate your skin. I already did before this, so I'm fine. So I usually use BB cream for natural look, but I'm gonna mix it with some foundation just to see how it looks. Oh, I'm sure. Some chapstick. Some concealer, small new spongy. Bit of contour. Eyebrow time. And then just do little strokes up to make it look natural. Blue. Little strokey strokes. Eyeshadow. But you can be pretty all set. A little bit of shimmer. Ooh. Shimmer. Some blush. This one, and I'm gonna be using this one from LA Colors. I'm going to be using this little palette. Blush, blush, blush. Ooh. A little bit of highlighter by Wet n Wild. Little boop. Eyeliner by Matte. Cherry Blossom lip gloss, some mascara from Sky High, and then I'm not gonna wear lashes today, but I usually wear small lashes like these because my lashes are already big, and so I just use them to emphasize my lashes. And then setting spray. I have two fans, but I'm gonna use this black one right here because I love it. I got it from Mexico, so I love the little detail and everything. Hand painted flowers. Just gonna clean my shoulder. And then lastly, some perfume, Coach perfume. And then we're done. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!